Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable console in CSGO. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now you may have seen a video or something and wanted to put command into the console over. You're clicking the button and just not opening. This is the solution, so that way if you want to click escape and head into settings, from here make sure on this game tab at the top and make sure this one's on game also, and just want to look at the bottom here for enable developer console. Now if you're new to the game, this will automatically be set to no. So what you want to do is you want to click on this and you just want to set it to yes. I also want to take note of this little symbol next to it. This will be the key you have to press to open up your console. Once you've done that, you can head back into your game and you can click whichever button you have set to open your console and it should be open. From there, we can type in whatever commands we wanted to do and we can play around with the console like that. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.